Back to Further Solutions Academy. Don't forget you are home with Further Solutions Academy. You can search on Google, on YouTube. You will see us, and at this moment we have over 400 videos on our channel. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice: mathematics, physics, and chemistry. They are so nice, simple videos. If you want to book our online class, you can contact us on this line 2348034495990. With this line, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and Telegram is allowed, either of the three. Now, and also you can drop comments below. We will surely be attended to. One of my students, one of my daughter, my very good students, asked for this question, and I have to solve it on our platform so that others can benefit from it. It's a very good question, which I think at this moment I've explained all you need to know towards this question in our video 1 of modular arithmetic. All you need to know on our video 1 on our modular arithmetic. By now, I've explained what is called addition table and multiplication table, and I've explained how to define modulo. Now I've explained how to define modulo, how to generate set from modulos. Please make sure you watch the video before this for better clarification. Just make sure you do that. Now, this is the problem that was given to her, and she could not unable to handle the question. It was very funny. I was just laughing at her. This is a very lazy student like that. Now, this is the table 1. This is the table 1. Let me help you to write that. Sorry. These are topic problems. This is table 1, and this is table 2B. Now, this table A is addition. This table B is multiplication. Take note of that, which I've explained in our previous video. Now, the table 1, the addition is being generated here, while multiplication is being generated here. Fine, very good. Since we have that, you are now asked to modulo 6, don't forget. Now, use plus operation multiplication table for modulo 6. This is the question. Find the value of A and B from the table. Find the value of A and B from the table. 2, determine the value of B. Determine the value. We have done this, sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't need to write this. Determine. Now, evaluate this, which is 4 operation plus bracket of 3 operation multiplication 2. And find the value of n if 5 operate with additive operation with m bracket of m multiplication of 3 equivalent to what? Equivalent to 3. Equivalent to 2. How do I solve this question? I have to manage my board because of the space is not much. Please help me to manage with me. I have to manage as I can't. We need to buy a bigger board. Please, we are requesting for your sponsorship. No amount is small. Now look at this problem. I will be solving all what I need to solve. Solution will be here. Please help me to manage. These are the questions. The first thing you need to know is that to generate your A, look at the A from the table. This is A and this is B. I will now move on by having a number. This number operate with this number. It gives us A. It means 3 multiplication operation with 2 give us A. Now, it means I'm talking about what? This is addition operation. This is addition operation. Sorry. Addition operation, not multiplication. Now, I will now move on. This plus this, 2 plus 3, which is the definition because it's an addition. 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2, it gives us 6. The 6, is it up to? Yes, it's up to, because what I'm mode 6. Now, I can't write 6. It means my A can never be 6. What I will just do, 6 divided by 6, it gives me 1 times, remainder is 0. And I've told you, is the remainder you need, not the number of times. Now, it means it will be what? Is 0 mode what? 6. Is 0 mode 6. It means my A equals to what? Equals to 0. My A equals to 0. It means what I'm talking about here, my A is what? Is 0. My A is 0. Now, it means what I'm trying to say is that A operate with A. A operate with A, it will be that. Now, look at this plus this. Oh, hope I'm not doing rubbish. Oh, I'm doing rubbish. Oh, it will be 5. Sorry, mode 6. This plus this, 5. My mind is on another thing. I'm so sorry. Sorry, it can never be that. I'm so sorry. It means my A is 5. My A is 5. 5 is not up to 6. It means I'm free to write that my A is 5. Sorry for that. Now, since I know that my A is 5, mode 6, I've gotten my what? My A. That is not a problem. And I move on to the next one. My mind was on multiplication. That is why I have to generate that 6. Now, this is multiplication table. I'm talking about 2 operate with what? In multiplication with 4. Look at this. Operate with 4. It generates the result, which is B. Now, this is multiplication. This is the one I just finished doing is addition. That one is addition. And I was relating to multiplication. That is why I have to think was confused then. Now, this operates with this, which is 2 times 4 is now 2 multiplied by 4. It will surely give me 8. Can I write 8 accurately? No. Is no, because we are talking about what? Mode 6. I will now say that what? 8 divided by 6, which is it will be equals to what? How many times? 1 times remainder what? 2. 1 time remainder 2. It means that remainder is what I need. I'll be having what? 2 mode 6. That is my answer. It means my B equals to 2. My B equals to 2. My B equals to 2. That is my answer. My B equals to 2. Yes. That is all. That is all. Now, that is settled. Please permit me to be doing this because of the space on the board, and the question is very, very important. Now, this question number 1 is solved. Number 2, I want to evaluate. I want to evaluate 4 operation plus with 3 and addition of 2. Now, look at this. I will first, if I were you, I will first deal with the bracket first. Now, 3 multiplication operation 2, what will it give me? I will come to the table. It's very good to come to the table. Now, 3 operate with 2. It produces what? It produces 0. 3 operate with 2. It produces 0. Can you see what it produces now? This is what it produces. It means it's 0. Now, since I have that, it means I will now come to the, it means the whole bracket become 0. It means 4 operate with what? In addition, addition of the 0, what will it produce? Now, I will come to the table. Now, this is multiplication, which I'm done with multiplication. I will now come to what? Addition table. 4 operate with 0. 4 operate with what? 0. What is the progression? It produces what? 4. 4 operate with 0, produce 4. It means my answer is what? 4. It means my answer 4 addition of 3 multiplication of 2, it will be equals to 4. That is my answer. Please take note of this very, very well. It means my answer to number 3, which is I is 4. Now, the last part of it is that is a very simple one also, which when my student was asking me this thing, I was just laughing, because At a point, I've taught her something like this and she could not. Now, you are asked to find m if 5 operate with, in addition form, m multiplied by 3 is equivalent to what? 2. Now, look at this. It's a very simple something. Don't forget 2 mod. That is how to do it very well. Mod what? 6. It's good to put this there. 2 mod 6. That is how, in a standard way of presenting your results. Now, I will continue by having, what can I operate with that will give me 2 on addition? What can I operate with? 5 will operate with something and to give me 2. Look at this. This and this will produce 2. This and this will produce 2. Now, it means if I have it in form of 5, addition operation, take note of that. Addition operation of what? Of 3 will be equals to what? 2. I think I'm doing it well. I'm just picking the outside operation. I leave the inner operation, which is the bracket operation. Now, since I know that, I will now continue. Okay, if that is the case, I will now say that what? Come to here now. It means m operates in terms of multiplication of 3. It will be equals to what? It will be equals to 3, which is the 3 I'm talking about here. This is the 3. This 3. Now, since I have that, I will now say that what comes to multiplication table now, what can I operate with that will give me 3? Now, a number will operate with 3 and it will give me 3. Now, look at this. If I have 3 is here, that is the result. Now, 3 operate with 3, it will give me 3. 3 operate with 3, it will give me 3. Now, 3 operate with 3, it will surely produce 3 from the table. Now, can you see that it means my m equals to 3? My m equals to 3. I will now come here now. Since my m equals to 3, please, Jonathan, I got my 3. 3 operate with 3. Operate with 3. It produces 3. Since I have that, it means I will now have my good answer by having what? 5 operation plus with a bracket m operation multiplication. It will be equivalent to what? 2. Now, it means 5 operation plus with bracket of what? 3 operation 3. It will be equals to what? 2. That is my answer. It means successfully my m is 3. I think this is very clear. Very, 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 very clear enough. Now, I would, before I end this part of Modulo, I will try to explain the algebraic part of it, that when you are talking about S, Y, something is missing, and how will you handle that kind of problem? That is what I want to work on in my next video. Okay, don't forget you are home with Further Solutions Academy. Don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends, inform them all at any level, and you'll be blessed. You can join our online class. Just contact us. The number has been dropped earlier. Once again, thanks for watching.